Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the cylinder, and they want the lateral area, and remember lateral area is the side. And on the last assignment last week, to find the lateral area, we had to know the perimeter and the height. Well, on a cylinder, we still have to have the perimeter, but since it's a circle, we call it the circumference. And if you remember, the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. The height is given, right? So the height is equal to 9. So really the only thing I got to plug into this particular one is the radius. So the circumference will be 2 pi times 5. Now remember, since they want the exact values means that we are going to keep pi in there. So my answer for the perimeter is going to have pi in it. So the only thing you have to do is 2 times 5.
10.
And then now the h is the 9. So right here I'm going to plug in the 9.
So it would be 90 pi.
There you go. Perfect. So what we have to do in all these cylinders, we're going to have to find the circumference first, which is at 2 pi r, and then multiply it by the height, and you got it. Okay, now the area of the base, again, it's a circle, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that is pi r squared. So all I gotta do is substitute for the r. Again, pi is part of the answer.
25 pi.
Correct. So we just go right there. And the reason why they have us do that is on the next question, we got to find the total area. And that's the same as last week. Lateral area, what we found on number 1, plus 2 times the area of the base, what we found on number 2. So we're just going to be plugging in. And then again, remember the answer is going to have pi in it. So I'll take the pi out. So all you got to do is 2 times 25 plus 90.
Okay. 25 times 2, right? Okay.
2 times 25,
25.
then add 90 to it.
Mm-hmm. 140.
What letter?
D.
Yep, that's correct. Okay, and then the next part is going to be the volume. Now, normally when we did the volume last week, we were able to do the length times the width times the height. But on the cylinder, I don't really have the length and the width, right? But that length and the width, what that is it's the area. Because remember, length times width is area also. So for us, the area is going to be pi r squared. And we did that on number 2. Right, so on number 2, this part is going to be 25 pi. The second part is going to be the height, which was 9. Again, pi is the answer, part of the answer. So you just got to do those two. What'd you get?
Hold on. 5 times 9. 225.
Correct. So that's how the next one's going to be. So I got to know what my radius is. The radius is 8. I got to know what my height is. It is 3. Now you're ready to find like everything. So to get my lateral area, going to be the circumference times the height. And I just got to plug in. So I'm going to have 2 pi 8 times 3. Pi is part of the answer. So you got to do the other rest. Correct. Okay, now find the area of the base. And remember, area of the base is pi r squared.
Would it be 64?
Yep, because the r is 8, right? So you got to square it and you get 64 pi. Then on number 7, the total area is going to equal to the lateral area. You found that on number 1, plus 2 times the area of the base that you found. I'm sorry, not number 1, but number 6. So it's going to be 6 plus 2 times the area of the base, and you found that on number 6. So you're combining 5 and then 6.
5 and then 6.
Yeah, but remember 6, you got multiplied by 2.
So that'll be 12 plus 5 plus 12 plus 5.
Wait, hold on. The answer for number 5. which was 48.
Mm-hmm.
So that's here, right?
Yes.
Plus 2 times that's what we're finding.
Uh, 48 times plus 60. Okay, so 64 times 2.
Correct.
2, 8, and then this is 12. And then plus 48, 15, 7, 176.
Good. And then on this one, the volume. So you're going to get the area of the base, which was the answer you got from number 6, times the height.
176.
No, the area of the base was number 6, the one
Oh,
above it.
64.
There you go, 64.
64 times,
What was the height?
the height, was 48.
No, we didn't. It wasn't an answer. You got to look at the picture. Oh, let me scroll back up.
3.
There you go.
64 times 3. So, would it be 192?
Yep. Okay, and I think that was part A of our assignment. Part B starts with what I got here is number 9. And it's really the same stuff. We know that the radius is, this one is 4,
Mm-hmm.
the height is 6, and now you're gonna plug in. For the lateral area, it's 2 pi r times h. So you gotta plug in. So, and remember, pi is part of the answer, so you don't have to do the pi.
So it would be 2 times 6.
Yeah,
That would be 12.
12 times, what's
The
r?
radius, or so 12 times 4, 48.
Here you go. And then the area of the base is pi r squared.
16.
Correct. Then the total is the lateral area plus 2 times the area of the base. The lateral area you found on the top one. And then you got to multiply the second one by 2, and then you add them.
So multiply the wait, what's the 16 is the base, right?
Yeah. So you put the 16 in there.
2 times 16
Mm-hmm.
plus 16 plus 4, 48.
Mm-hmm.
Would it be 80?
Yes. And then the volume is the area of the base. You found that. That was 6 times the height.
Mhm. Um, 16,
Mm-hmm.
16 times 6, right? So it's the height.
Is it the height? Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
36, 96.
Good. And it's the last 4. And we do it all the same. So this one is 2 pi r times the height. And in this case, they're both 9.
Okay. So that'll be 81 times 2.
Mm-hmm.
Would it be 162?
Yep. Then the next one is just the area.
81.
Yeah. The total area is the lateral area plus 2 times the area of the base.
Um, One plus 2 times 81 times 2
Mhm.
plus 162. 324?
Good. And then the last one is going to be the area of the base times the height.
That'll be 81.
Yeah. 81 times the height. Height was 9, right?
9. Yes. 7, 28.
29.
Oh yeah, 29.
Yep, that's it. And that should be both the assignments that are due this week.
Okay.